What will happen to your body if you eat 2 bananas a day? Bananas are tropical fruits that have a soft pulp inside their fleshy peel. These fruits are elongated and slightly curved, and they grow in clusters near the top of the fruiting plant. Bananas come in a range of colors, including green, red, yellow, and brown, when ripe. A banana tree is the largest flowering herbaceous plant in the world. The scientific name of bananas is Musa acuminata. Bananas can be eaten directly when ripe or can be included in fruit salads, juice, and shakes. Also, they make a good topping for breakfast cereals or a snack for a quick burst of energy. Bananas are now grown in more than 100 countries around the world and can also be used to make fiber, banana wine, and are included in ornamental decorations. What will happen to your body if you eat 2 bananas a day? Bananas contain many important nutrients. According to USDA, bananas are a possibly rich source of protein, potassium, carbohydrates, and dietary fiber. They have zero fat and cholesterol, as well as negligible sodium. Their impressive nutritional content includes vitamins like vitamin C, vitamin B6, riboflavin, folate, pantothenic acid, and niacin, as well as trace amounts of other vitamins. Bananas also contain minerals like phosphorus, calcium, manganese, magnesium, and copper. Carbs and calories in banana. Bananas are a good source of nutrition, and 100 grams of raw banana contains about 89 calories and 23 grams of carbohydrates. May lower blood pressure. Research conducted at the Hypertension Institute, USA states that potassium plays a key role in managing healthy blood pressure levels. As bananas are a rich source of potassium, they help to reduce blood pressure. Potassium helps in relieving the tension in arteries and veins, so blood can flow smoothly through the body and oxygenate various organs to increase their function. This can help eliminate atherosclerosis and the subsequent strokes and heart attacks that are so commonly associated with it. The fiber in bananas also scrapes excess cholesterol from the arteries and blood vessels and further reduces stress on the cardiovascular system. May provide relief from constipation. Bananas contain significant amounts of dietary fiber and therefore help in smooth bowel movements. The roughage soothes the excretion process and relieves a person from constipation. A study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food suggests that bananas also help in treating other stomach-related disorders. May help manage diabetes. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, 8 has revealed that pectin, in bananas, is said to be a nutrient that aids in improving glucose tolerance in diabetics. A banana provides about 3 grams of dietary fiber, which is beneficial for both type 1 and type 2 diabetics, as per a study published in 2014. Might preserve memory and boosts mood. According to a study conducted in 2015, the amino acid tryptophan and antioxidants like dopamine, in bananas, play a vital role in boosting mood and preserving memory. Additionally, magnesium helps to relax muscles and vitamin B6 helps you sleep well. Might give relief from symptoms of anemia. Research led by Dr. Olga P. Garcia, Autonomous University of Querétaro, Mexico, states that bananas contain high iron content and, therefore, they aid in treating anemia since iron is an essential part of red blood cells. Bananas also have a significant content of copper, which is an important element in the creation of red blood cells. By increasing your red blood cell count, not only do you prevent anemia, but you can also increase circulation to all parts of the body, thereby oxygenating them and optimizing their functionality. May aid in weight loss. Bananas are useful for weight loss as one banana has approximately only 90 calories. They contain a lot of fiber as well and are easy to digest. Furthermore, they do not contain any fats. Therefore, an overweight person does not have to eat too much if their diet contains bananas because they are very filling. The roughage will also not make the person feel hungry by inhibiting the release of the hunger hormone, ghrelin. This will reduce overeating and also help in weight loss. Research conducted in 2012 also suggests that consuming bananas can aid in boosting metabolism, thereby helping in weight loss. May strengthen bones. The presence of fructooligosaccharides, a prebiotic, is a beneficial bacteria in our digestive tract that boosts the intake of minerals and nutrients by the body. Bananas are also linked to increased absorption of calcium. Calcium is the most important element in the production and regrowth of bone matter in the body. It reduces our chances of getting affected by osteoporosis and natural weakness. Possibly anti-inflammatory properties. Collective research at the Department of Pharmacy, Aston University, Birmingham, UK and School of Health and Sports Science, the University of North London, UK, suggests that the compounds inside bananas are anti-inflammatory in nature, meaning that they can reduce swelling, inflammation, and irritation from conditions like arthritis and gout. May improve vision. Bananas, like many other fruits, are packed with antioxidants and carotenoids, as well as a healthy mix of minerals that can seriously boost the health of your eyes. Macular degeneration, cataracts, night blindness, and glaucoma have all been shown to decrease with normal intake of bananas and other similar fruits. Might promote weight gain. Bananas can be useful for weight gain. When consumed with milk, bananas help increase a person's weight rapidly. Milk provides the necessary proteins and bananas provide the sugars. Furthermore, since bananas are easily digested, an underweight person can gulp down 5 to 6 bananas in a day apart from the regular meals without facing indigestion. This leads to an additional intake of 500 to 600 calories, which is quite necessary for weight gain. Since bananas have the ability to provide instant energy, sportsmen eat bananas during the breaks in between games for an extra surge of energy. May give relief from piles, hemorrhoids. Bananas have been used as a natural remedy for piles as the potentially high fiber content may make it easy to pass stools. The laxative effect prevents any kind of strain, thus providing relief and curing hemorrhoids, swollen veins around the anus region. May have anti-ulcerogenic properties. Traditionally, bananas have been used as an antacid food to soothe upset stomachs as they can also suppress acid secretion. Research published in the British Journal of Pharmacology claims that bananas have anti-ulcerogenic properties. The protease inhibitors in bananas eliminate the harmful bacteria that have been linked to the development of stomach ulcers. Might prevent kidney disorders. A 2005 study suggests that potassium and various antioxidants in bananas help ease the strain on kidneys and encourage urination. This can help keep toxins from accumulating in the body. May relieve menstrual problems. Traditional medicinal applications of banana included its use as a potential menstruation aid. Cooked banana flowers help in providing relief from painful and excessive bleeding during the menstrual cycle and can relieve other menstrual distress too. How many bananas should you eat? Balance and variety are hallmarks of a healthy diet. Your body is a complex system that requires many types of nutrients to function properly. The best way to ensure you're getting everything your body needs is to eat an assortment of foods from each food group. There is no specific number of bananas that automatically makes them good or bad. It really depends on your unique calorie and nutrient needs. In theory, you could eat as many bananas as you want, as long as you're not over-consuming calories, displacing other foods and nutrients that your body needs, or harming your health in other ways. That said, 1 to 2 bananas per day would likely be considered a moderate intake for most healthy people. Don't forget to include a variety of other nutrient-dense fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats.